Let's talk about the water we drink, and we should correct the water theory. Water is a major part of our body. A human can go without food for about 3 weeks, but would only last 3 to 4 days without water. Ocean is also water, but we cannot drink it. Then which water we can drink? According to international standard, you can drink water if its TDS level is 600 milligram per liter maximum and pH value 6.5 till 8.5. Let's see what Quran has to say about it.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
رأيتم الماء الذي تشربون
And have you seen the water that you drink?
أأنتم أنزلتموه من المزن أم نحن المنزلون
Is it you who brought it down from the clouds, or is it we who bring it down?
لو نشاء جعلناه أجاجا فلولا تشكرون
If we willed, we could make it bitter. So why are you not grateful?
So now we know, according to Quranic laws, Allah has created rainwater for human consumption. But according to science, rainwater is acidic. But the same science also tells us that basic genetic cells in our body is called deoxyribonucleic acid, DNA. The all-known, almighty Allah has created us from acid. Then why should we doubt that rainwater is harmful for us? According to Quranic laws, by replicating rainwater, Team Parent Cure has beneficialized lots of human lives. Think.